Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video of Adit's Village. Today we are visiting a Swedish farmhouse, so stay tuned. So our landlord, her name is Ingrid, she invited us to her horse farm. So now we are going to her horse farm. On the way to Ingrid's horse farm, it's very beautiful. There's a lot of scenery and it's very, very beautiful. There's like so much to see. It's so green, like it's green everywhere. If you turn around, it's green. In the front, it's green. On the side, it's green. Everywhere, it's green. And there are a lot of trees also. Don't you think this is beautiful? On the way, we saw another farm. It had a crop silo. On the way, we saw a lot of other farms. We saw a grape farm, a wheat farm, and many more. So guys, on the way to the farmhouse, ഞങ്ങള് കുറേ ഫ്ലവേഴ്സ് ഉണ്ട്. ഈ ഫ്ലവേഴ്സിന്റെ പേര് റാപ്സോലിയ എന്നാ. ഇതിൽ നിന്നാണ് നമ്മൾ കുക്കിംഗ് ഓയിൽ ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നത്. അവിടെ കുറേ ഉണ്ട്. Finally, we have reached Ingrid's horse farm. This is Ingrid's farm. So on the left is Ingrid's house, and here there's a lot of horses. In the distance you can see one if you look closely. Allikutti is also very happy. There's so much space to run around. Can't you see it? She loves to run around. Now, Ingrid's going to show us a full tour of her horse farm. Can't you see there's so many horses? They're all very cute. Now, Ingrid's going to show us her indoor horse farm. Ingrid uses her indoor horse farm when it's winter and it's cold outside. But now it's summer and it's really hot outside. And it's a grassland, so there's a lot of grass for the horses to eat. But inside the indoor horse farm, there's stables and saddles for when you ride the horse. Ingrid takes the horse on the ride every single morning. ഇപ്പോൾ ഇംഗ്രിഡ് ഞങ്ങളുടെ മുഴുവൻ ടൂർ കാണിക്കാൻ പോവാ. കുറേ ഉണ്ട് വാക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ. ഇറ്റ്സ് ഗോയിങ് ടു ടേക്ക് എ ലോങ് ടൈം. അപ്പനും ഇംഗ്രിഡും മിണ്ടിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുക. അപ്പം കുറേ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ചോദിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുക. ഈ ഹോഴ്സ് എങ്ങനെയായി റൈഡ് ചെയ്യണേ ഹോഴ്സ് റേസിംഗ് കോമ്പറ്റീഷനിൽ. ഇംഗ്രിഡിൻ്റെ ഹോഴ്സ് എല്ലാം ഹോഴ്സ് റേസിംഗ് കോമ്പറ്റീഷനിലെല്ലാം വന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്, അറിയോ? ഇത് വെരി ബിഗ് ഹോഴ്സ് ഫാമാ. ഇത് കുറേ ഉണ്ട് കാണാൻ, കുറേ ഹോഴ്സസും ഉണ്ട്. Me and Allikutti was running to get to the top of this hill. On the side of Ingrid's farm, there is a Christmas tree farm. When it's Christmas, they're going to cut down the trees and we're going to have Christmas trees. It's very big, this place. It's so big. Now, this is where the horses drink water, and if you look far away, there's some horses eating grass, if you can see. I don't know if you can see it, but you have to look very close. Ingrid offered me to take a ride in her excavator. I said yes. This is so cool. I even got to drive it. I'm going to show you some videos of when I got to drive it. If you look closely, I'm the one who's steering the excavator. You have to look closely. It was so fun. I took it to the other side and back. It was very fun. And Allikutti was roaming around the whole time. Now I'm coming back. This was really fun. Thank you, Ingrid, for letting me do this. There was a tractor. It was readying the land for the next farming season. When the tractor is readying the soil, a lot of the worms come out and a lot of birds come down to eat the worms. If you look there, you can see it. You can see the horses happily munching on their hay. Ingrid invited us to touch her horses. First, I was a little scared, but at last I said I'm going to do it. You can see the picture of me touching it at the end of the video. So Ingrid also said that every one of the horses has their own name. She's going to say this after this clip.
This one is Bettan. That one is Bläsen, and that one is Blomman. This is Sunket. This is Nafta, this is Inga, and this is Fuxen.
After we have done the tour, Ingrid prepared some coffee, juice and snacks for us. Ingrid also has a dog. The dog's name is Bibi. Bibi is very cute. So guys, today's video was so fun. It was so fun to take this video, but now we have to go home. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.